DHCP. Hello everyone, an IP address can basically be assigned to a device or network in two ways. The first way is to manually configure an IP address, which is the static way of doing it, and the second way is to do it dynamically, where the device operating system is automatically configuring an IP address, and this tool that is basically doing this is called the DHCP. So when we use the DHCP, as soon as device first connects to a network, it is automatically allocated an IP address by the DHCP service, and this IP address is taken from predefined pool. So usually the DHCP is set up by the network administrator, so you need to have that rights in order to set up this. So in order to set up the DHCP, we require our DHCP server that needs appropriate parameters in order to configure the device in the proposed network. So we need parameters such as the range of the pool, the available IP addresses, and so on. So basically, when a computer in a network wants to obtain a valid configuration, usually when we start the machine, it issues the DHCP service discover request, which generates on its side an IP address, and this is done through the UDP broadcast packet. It reaches the DHCP server, and once the negotiation is established, we're resulting in IP address assigned to the device from the pool. So it is very important to understand that in order to obtain the DHCP, we do not require any network interface configured. Also, the DHCP should be on at the same time or different time from the client or the server. So when the DHCP server receives a DHCP request for a device, the Discover service obtains the MAC address of the client and assigns an IP address to it. So the DHCP basically assigns an IP address to the client for just a certain amount of time, and the aim of the client is to do its job until this time passes or to renew the concession before the time reaches its limit. So that was everything, guys, I want to share with you about the DHCP. It is basically a service that assigns automatically IP addresses. I hope that's clear. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in our next video.